Hi everyone, welcome to my new video about you being lost in the stock market. You're at the right place. If you're new here, I'm an experienced trader from Europe with a good track record and I have one goal in mind: help you become a better investor by learning and working on your setup. So my advice is to subscribe to my channel, like the videos and look around for my Patreon if you want premium content. If you're already subscribed, good to see you back and let's see this one together. You can say hello to my computer voice stepping up against my non-American accent. So today the subject is my record performance during the pandemic in 2020. How I managed to do it. Here my allocation chart, which is dominated strongly by Tesla as you see. You can see my benchmarks against the S&P, the Nasdaq and so on. I will detail everything. I think one of my portfolio will be more than 90% 100% over 1 year at the end of 2020. As you can see, numbers are different between thumbnail and the video because I have recorded the video after I created the thumbnail. As you see, this portfolio was up 87% during 2020 while S&P 500 was up 25%, the Nasdaq 13% and the Dow 21%. What is really interesting is the emerging markets outpacing the US stocks. So how I managed to do it? First, you can see daily update on the VIP Patreon to replicate my performance. Please check my Patreon page. You can find the link on the description page and about page. So let's dive in. TSLA is up more than 1,500%. SQ, which is Square, is up more than 237%. Pins, which is Pinterest, is up more than 227% and so on. I will feature on the chart my average price and why I have entered and built a position. Tesla is first. My average price on this stock is $30.764, which is ridiculously low for this stock. How I've started. This is the most simple answer I can give. I saw tremendous future and at the time, the design and the communication marketing was really something else. A perfect copy of Apple's strategy. Next in line is Square with an average price is $61.75. I have trust this company as the digital way to use money. The way I have built a position was looking at the balance sheet and checking how insiders and funds were buying the stock. Then I have dollar cost average it. DCA is a really good strategy to have. Then we have Pinterest, one of the most remarkable social media stock I found at the time. I've trust the management and I saw people using it. This is why I have built a position with an average price of $19.89. I will skip Signet Jewelers, up more than 227%, and Face, up more than 212%, to talk about Bitcoin, which is up more than 146%. Why I trade Bitcoin and cryptos? Because they are volatile and I love hedging positions and balancing my portfolio with a good diversification strategy. I have jumped again into Bitcoin when the market was crashing in 2020, maintaining buying position while the market was recovering from the 20th of March 20 to the 20th of April 20. So how you can manage to be a successful trader? By buying strong assets with a good strategy and cool emotions. Don't buy into FOMO, be patient, which is why I should speak also about losing money. I lose money on stock market. Everyone does. The key is to cut losses when you make a mistake, and move on. I've kept some mistakes in my portfolio while cutting losses quickly. Minus 20% or 30% should be triggering your strategy. So yes, I have kept some symbol on my portfolio and cut a lot more during the pandemic. So today, this portfolio is having only 2 losses still. AT&T and Digital Realty Trust. Those two are on November 24 at minus 6% and minus 9%. So there you have it, how I build a successful portfolio in 2020. Obviously I can show you every positions I have on this because the video will be 2 hours long. I will end the video with my sector's implementation. On this one, the healthcare industry is pretty low. Why? Because my other portfolio is using healthcare strongly with a 30% piece. Thank you so much for trusting me. If you like the video, please smash the like button, subscribe and check my Patreon page if you want to follow my journey live. Before you leave, please note that this is not financial advice. This is only me trying to educate you and showing you results you can achieve when having a good strategy. Bye everyone.